the best part is that you're an action star. The hardest part is that you're an action star. So I think however you look at it, it's good and it's tough.
Honestly, it puts you in a very, very, it makes you feel really strong, and it makes you feel powerful. It makes you feel like you're doing stuff that, only the heroes got to do for so long in our films, and finally you're able to do the same thing. So I love watching action films. So for me to be able to do it is a very, very fulfilling experience.
To put things into perspective, to give credit where it's due, Hollywood, concentrates on scripts sometimes, and they make Wolverine and they make Hugh Jackman a star. They don't see Hugh Jackman being a star and make a Wolverine. Here, the problem is it's still very star-driven. So we tend to spend money on an A-lister that is up there and don't spend as much on a newcomer because we still don't really back our scripts. With Force 2, I think we've changed a lot of that. We've put our money where our mouth is. So if we call the film an action film, you will be surprised to see the quality and the level of action in Force 2, and you'll be like, wow, this is on par with Hollywood.
I'm very instinctive when it comes to choosing a film. I have to like it immediately when I hear the script or when I hear the narration. I cannot sit and delve on it and think about it too much, because then I start losing interest. It has to be a yes or no right there and then.
Yeah, I enjoy it. I come from a place where, when you're growing up, you have to pay so much money to bungee jump or to, do things. Here I'm getting paid to jump off. So, when you're getting paid to go on the Burj Khalifa and someone tells you, don't worry, you're taken care of, you're secure, now jump. I think it's fantastic. You get to do that because it's just the adrenaline and the thrill. It's not a false sense of bravado. There's one action sequence in this film which is actually like dance. It's choreographed beautifully while the bad guy is playing the mouth organ.
It's like a beautiful symphony in motion, and it's shot in slow motion and high speed, and the villain is playing the mouth organ, and you can see every movement, and it's just such a visual delight, when you get to be a part of such new stuff. I think the action in Force 2 is revolutionary in a way. I don't think you've ever seen the kind of action that you will see in this film before in Hindi cinema.
So I think it's credible and it's commercial. So please, I'd love for people to go and watch it and enjoy it.
Yeah, I think it's a credible, enjoyable, commercial, fast-paced, really snappy film which will not leave you even a second to look here or there. You want to know what is going to happen next. It's very gripping, and for some really good quality action that you've not seen in Hindi cinema.